Can you back up?
Was never book smart on money smart.
Why everybody on this app want me to get naked?
Shit, I'm gonna ask the same thing.
You want me to get naked?
No.
Oh,
I'm saying I share your experience and
you like Ice Spice?
Not really.
What's wrong with Ice Spice?
She's just not my fucking cup of tea.
You like boys?
Unfortunately, yeah.
What type of boys you like?
Pastors.
Who?
Pastors.
Pastors. What you mean, pastors?
Pastors. Preachers.
I'm talking about music.
Oh.
Fuck.
What?
Oh, shit. I didn't know those things were still around. I thought we erased them.
I got an
No.
OnlyFans too.
You got what?
I got an OnlyFans.
Oh, that's cool. Good for you.
Yeah, I started an OnlyFans because my grandma got locked up, so I'm trying to get her out with my OnlyFans.
Yeah, is
Oh,
it titled
you
like
good. You really
like
care for your family. That's a good quality to
Down
have.
syndrome, man?
Yeah, I be letting the bros bend me over for my grandma.
Oh, you get bent over?
Yeah, so I could get my grandma out of jail.
Hold on, like, look, bro, like you dead ass look like my 2K build.
Is my earpiece?
And I'm trying to suck you like an Oreo.
You know I have shadow buddies.
Me too. He's right here.
So, bro, we going back to the hood with that one.
Back to the hood, bro. You tweaking. This nigga fire, bro.
Play it back.
Throw it, baby, like a pump. I've been rich, my problem, shit in the music like it's D1. I had a Leo try to tell me I went B1. Got me back in my duffel, I've been a nigga on a new route.
Oh, I ain't hit the first time. You right. We getting kicked out the hood.
Hi, Obi. Let me slap that. Hey.